There's the Black Hills here. Yeah. Wow. That looks pretty neat. Now that it's starting to get daylight, it's 5:35. Let's go in here. It's Needles Eye Tunnel. Didn't see anybody else up here. It's 5:39 in the morning still, so look at that. That's neat. Dude, you're not even near anything. The doggone vehicle system wants to say, look at this. This quartz right here. There's a better, beautiful shot. Sylvan Lake here. Looks beautiful. Man, look at all that. I love it. Got here at the perfect opportunity with all this fog and moisture and rain and lightning storms. I'm in this rock. On this rock, there's waterfall in it right there. It's pretty badass. Gotta go back to the trail. That's just more exercise. It's pretty. But I'm gonna get on back to the main road. All right, you know you're at the midpoint when you're gonna come across this creek. And you won't be sure where to go. And if you run into a dirt road and see some cabins, that's the midpoint. You gotta head back up the mountain. See the main trail, because they look a lot alike. You're gonna want to veer to the left, and then you're gonna go back up the mountain. This is really pretty out here. Look at all that fog in the distance. Lightning storms this morning and rain. Look at that. Sun is shining. It is 7:20. If this ain't a front row seat, I don't know what is. Check this out. This is so awesome. Here's Sylvan Lake. That's where I started. Actually started somewhere over there where I parked, but started there. But I took the road back, and my watch says I'm at 5.33 miles. I sat up on those ones.